Hi. So, I decided to make this little video to kind of talk about my favorite, oh, my own personal opinion on which fire alarms are the best for like starting out your collection. Because if you're not currently one of those people that collect fire alarms and you want to start doing that, then that's pretty much what this video is for. So, when it comes to pull stations, I would say the one that I started out with, which is the Firelight BG12L pull station. I think that one there is the best pull station to start out with, just in my opinion. And when it comes to horn strobes, the best horn strobe to start your collection with would be the System Sensor Spectral Large Advance, given it has an easier way to wire it up. You just put all the wires on the mounting plate, and then you mount the mounting plate onto a wall, and then you put the actual horn strobe itself on the mounting plate. So that's my opinion on which horn strobe is the best. Now, when it comes to the speaker strobe, I know most of the speaker strobes are a bit heavier in weight compared to the horn strobes. Most of them are a lot bigger than their horn strobe counterparts. So, with a horn strobe, with the speaker strobes, I'd want to go with the Wheelock E70-MCW speaker strobe, given that one is one of the smaller variety of speaker strobes out there, and due to that fact, it would probably be the least heaviest one out of all of them. So yeah, definitely the Wheelock E70-MCW is the best speaker strobe to start out with. Now, I haven't really owned a chime strobe at all, so can't really give any information about those, but I'd probably just go with the Spectral Advance chime strobe again, given it's just like the horn strobe variety. And I haven't really owned a fire alarm control panel at all, so not really sure how those can really be mounted onto a wall or even wired up to a fire alarm system. But if I were to guess, then I'd probably have to say that one of the notifier. Like, I probably would have to guess that one of the notifier panels, if one of those even exists, would be the best solution. Or if you want to have a speaker shelf on your system, then you could probably get the real lock safe path voice evacuation panel, just so you don't have to go through all the trouble of searching around finding speaker strobe voice evac messages to pre-record. And if you want to have one of those smoke detectors that go along with a fire alarm system, then, well, I'd probably have to recommend a System Sensor i3 smoke detector in that matter, given I've seen those mounted at the high school that I went to, and it seemed like the simpler option to go with. I mean, I've also seen the Simplex True Alarm smoke detectors, but I think the System Sensor i3 would be your best solution for a starter smoke alarm or a smoke detector. And I would say what the best mini horn would be to start out with, but given they pretty much all are the exact same size, I can't really give an opinion on that, just like I kind of can't give an opinion on fire sprinklers either, because, well, most of them all look the same. So, yeah, I think that'll do it for this video, and in the future I might upload a video about like the safety of like how to use an escalator or an elevator and all of the safety information provided with that, and might upload a few other videos about like different fire hazards and fire safety once I've found enough information in order to make a video about those. So definitely stay tuned for that. But otherwise, I'll think that'll do it for this video. So I'll see you in one of those other videos I just mentioned I would do in the future. So goodbye.